In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok app, then right here hit Add Profile icon to open up profile, and then hit on Edit Profile button. Right here you are able to change your name and username. So let's start with the name. Just hit right here, add your name. I got a lot of emojis here, so I can just remove them and then hit on Save. Now it says that you can only change your nickname once every 7 days. Hit on Confirm to set new name for your TikTok profile. Also here you can change your username. Just stop right there and then you can type in any username. Username have to be unique, so if you see that green check mark, that means that this username are not taken now. You can hit on Save to set this username. Username can be changed once every 30 days. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.